Welcome to the exquisite gated community of Pelican Hill in Newport Coast, California, where luxury and coastal living blend seamlessly. This exceptional home offers a truly elevated lifestyle, boasting endless views into the Pacific Ocean, captivating year-round sunsets over Catalina Island, and the twinkling lights of Newport Harbor, all the way up the scenic coastline to Palos Verdes. As you step inside, you'll be greeted by impeccable craftsmanship and attention to detail throughout. Spanning an impressive 10,000 square feet, this residence features 6 bedroom suites and a total of 8 bathrooms, providing ample space for both relaxation and entertainment. Premium stone surfaces and masterfully crafted millwork adorn every room, creating an atmosphere of sophistication and elegance. The Ocean View Home Office provides a serene and inspiring workspace, while the billiards room and wine cellar offer spaces for leisure and indulgence. Designed to seamlessly blend the indoors with the outdoors, this home features multiple balconies and loggias, inviting you to enjoy the coastal breezes and breathtaking views. The entertainment level opens up to the pool area, creating a harmonious flow for gatherings and relaxation. Whether you're savoring a morning coffee on the balcony, hosting a poolside soiree, or simply enjoying the peaceful serenity of the coastal ambiance, this home offers a truly unparalleled living experience. The home was sold for $24 million in November of 2024.